Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Enigma and you're watching Enigma Inc. So let's do Sagittarius for year 2022. Let's see whole year how it will be and what all is going to happen in love, career, money, whatever the messages we get. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs in Sagittarius. This is going to be a general reading. Take whatever resonates. For more personal reading, you can also opt for a personal readings book with me on WhatsApp or Instagram. You can also follow me on Instagram for daily horoscopes, monthly horoscopes, and yearly horoscopes and other updates like manifestation workshop, healing. So a lot of it will be available on my Instagram, so do check it out and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Sagittarius. Sagittarius. Oops. Okay. Releasing a big heartbreak. I feel like something broke your heart recently in 2021 and you are ready to release it because it was making your heart heavy. You were not feeling very happy or satisfied, so you wanted to leave the situation because this was too tacky and it was hurting you and hurting you. This person was non-committal or was playing very hard to get, or they were playing a lot of games. Okay, so you ended the situation, start moving on. I feel like something had been hurting you since 3 years or 3 months, and now you're ready to release those those heartache, pain, and now you're moving towards a new beginning with the Fool card. I feel this is clear message that there is a new beginning happening into your life. Some of you are going to deal with a Pisces. Okay, there's definitely, I feel, an offer of money coming in. Okay, a new job or money, or the switch of a career that's gonna really make you feel super happy and elated. Someone is going to help you, provide some financial help or guidance that is gonna help you a lot in 2022. People from the past are gonna reach out to you and help you, be there for you. Also see a pet you may be having is very caring towards you and misses you a lot. Or if there are family members, I do see the family members are very concerned, especially your father is very concerned about you and is missing you right now. Okay, I sense that maybe a father figure is going to come towards you with some sort of financial help. Yeah, I see Sagittarius, this is your energy. You're going to be in a very positive light. You're going to be very happy about where you are right now in 2022. I feel like for most of you, that is why I opted for yearly 2022, unlike 2021, because I just get this vibe. That is why I'm getting this vibe that every reading has positive energy to it. So every sign is going to go through a major shift, and I see you, Sagittarius, you being completely shifting your energy and vibes. You're going to feel more happy and lucky, and I see you have a support system. You can see the woman is holding a rope. That means she's being supported. That means you are going to be heavily supported by the angels around you. Some candles, I can see candles, I can see animals. So it would be nice if you get time, then spend more time with your pet. And if you don't have a pet, then do something for the stray animals, or in general just do something for animals that you come across, because especially cat, I feel like this is going to really help you benefit financially in 2022. I see you making numerous friends, very good connection with friends, and I feel like this is going to be an intuitive connection with friends as well. But at the same time, there will be a lot of competition as well, Sagittarius. However, they will be supporting you whenever you need them at the same time. But Seven of Pentacles is like you are going to sow a seed. Okay, some sort of start is going to happen in 2022, and it's gonna take you to a long way. Okay, so you are going to build a future slowly and gradually. In that future, you can see from your eyes that it's growing, it's getting much better, and you will be proud of yourself. You will Think of the times when you started from scratch and where you have reached. So you will reach a very high level in 2022 real fast. Okay, people will try to pull you down, but that is for your own benefit, because it's going to help you be more competitive. Okay, grow further. The more competition, the more you want to grow further. So yeah, I see your money also getting much and much better. I see very soon in 2022 you might be getting a higher position. Okay, your intuition will guide you, and I see you're going to become more intuitive and more open-hearted about accepting certain things and letting go of certain things. You will become more matured and more responsible man or women. And I see some of you might deal with an Aries person, a boss maybe will be keeping a close watch on you, will be really appreciating your work, your sincerity. Okay, this person, I feel like this is your energy more. Okay, Sagittarius, that you are going to feel like you're already reached a very high position very fast in 2022. It's like an authority being given to you. So some kind of authority will be given to you. Now let us see what are the love messages. The High Priestess is telling me like you need to keep your secrets to yourself. Don't share anything and everything, or disclose your cards to your friends. Okay, to your colleagues. So people would try to get to know what's in your mind, what you're doing next. Okay, here I feel like in love situation, Eight of Swords might be that you might end up recognizing that this is not the one, or you might block this person, or you might change your path and you might tell that person to leave, that you want to do something else or you want to find someone else. So you might end a situation with someone new as well. I feel like you won't even have time for love situation, because it's all about career, it's all about happiness, family, love, love with family and self-love and money. But I see Eight of Swords is like you're resisting yourself from, okay, there's a marriage offer that's coming in, and I feel like you're probably going to get engaged or committed to someone in 2022, but you might resist this for a long period. Maybe your father is going to help you in this, but I do see you might resist this for a pretty long time. But then eventually you might, yes, I told you, with the Seven of Swords and with the Eight of Swords, you might run away from the time if the relationship is coming towards you. You want a relationship, but when it's coming towards you, commitment, marriage is coming towards you, might run away. This could be someone who is a daughter of a father that's working in your organization, or it is someone that is a son of a father who's working in a same organization as you are. Okay, male, female, whoever. But I do see, oh, this person that you're going to get married to is working at the same place as you are. But I feel like a lot of times you might feel phobic. You might go through some phobias of marriage and commitment. Okay, initial stages will be a little tacky. Okay, but eventually you're going to accept this offer and you're going to settle down with this person in some way. I do see this is a mutual bond. This is someone who's like you, okay, who has a similar height, similar nature, same choices, same signs, and same choices, like they could be doing the same thing as you are. Okay, and this will build a very strong, powerful connection. Yes, that's a very strong message that this person could be from your workplace as well. And this is someone who is always work oriented, and they have a lot to help you, to guide you, support you with, and protect you at your workplace. This will make you fall in love like crazy. Okay, what other love messages do we have here for my Sag people? This is beautiful reading. I really enjoy doing this. There will be trust. This connection is based on trust, nothing else but trust. Okay, what else do you need to remember here, Sagittarius? Okay, I feel like you might get sad over little things not working out, so just let them go, because those are little and those are not meant for you. If something is not working in your favor, let it go, because in the end, if it's going to someone else, it is for someone else's benefit. Think like that, okay? Whatever is meant for you is going to be greater and bigger, and you're ready to accept it, but at the right time. So don't worry about these things. If little things hurt you, let it go. Forgive. Sagittarius. Nothing will come out of a situation. I feel like, yes, this is telling me that you might get stressed out about certain situation or a certain situation that happens with someone. But I feel like being disappointed or being sad is not going to bring anything out of this connection. Even in love situation, if you are hurt, you need to be more expressive and stop, for those people who get disappointed very easily or get into this grief mode very easily, it's very clear that nothing will come out of that situation. If something is not working, let it go, because grief is not going to bring you anything. Your hard work is paying off. So whatever you work on is going to give you best results, I would say, not better. Sagittarius, let's see. Building blocks. So you're going to build a solid foundation, and also see you're going to build a great figure, male or female, whoever it is, but I do see you working on your body as well. Sagittarius, please. Yeah, community. Your people, your friends, your closest people are going to appreciate you, the way you look, the way you carry yourself, and they're going to love your company. So yeah, they will be there for you in your times, in your sad times, if you feel sad or you need someone. Yeah, your intuition will be stronger in this year, and I feel like your intuition will guide you through. So wherever you are stuck, you will listen to your intuition. You have good intuition. From Aries to Pisces, let's see how these people will be dealing with you. Aries, please. Aries will be falling in love with you. I do see you making a connection with Aries if you haven't had yet. Taurus. Taurus is like going to be in a deep thoughts, okay? They will not tell you exactly what's going on in their mind. This is a wise person also. Gemini might get freaked out by you because you exude a lot of confidence and power. Cancer will be having a crush on you. Leo wants a reconciliation, or this is someone who's very kind and giving towards you when you need them. Virgo is going to chase you, and I feel like this Virgo will be very competitive. Libra sees you as a wish come true, that love your company. Scorpio will be all about competition, okay, or they might not see you in a good light, all right, in love situation. Sagittarius will see you in a very different position. I feel like they see you as someone that you're not, but in a good way. Aquarius is gonna be a little bumpy. This might get on and off. Capricorn will not tell you a lot of things, and I feel like the Capricorn will be too busy in their own work, so they might not give you much time and attention that you need. Pisces will find you extremely exciting, and they'd love spending time with you. So that's about it, Sagittarius. I hope this reading has helped you. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, and comment below and let me know how this resonated. Do like the video so that more and more people can get through this, and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Till then, bye.